Here I have LG G7 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And afterwards, when your device is completely switched off, let's use this combination power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Let me show you. Keep holding both keys. As soon as LG logo pops up, release power and press it again. Just release the power for a second. As you can see, the factory data reset mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys. Let's scroll down to yes and press power key to confirm it. Alright, to delete all data, including the customized settings, downloaded apps and other stuff, let's scroll down to yes and press power key to confirm it. Let's wait a few seconds and the device is erasing all personal stuff. Don't interrupt while the process is running, let's just wait until everything will be accomplished successfully. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. You may also observe that there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your smartphone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.